Welcome back to MACMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. In this video, we are going to remap or rebind the home and end keys in macOS to make them behave like they do in Windows. Even after the remapping, the normal macOS keys will still work, so effectively you can use both the macOS and the Windows way of working. There is no need for any third-party or external tools. What might be confusing is that the home and the end are doing weird things and they are acting somewhat like page up and page down in macOS. Just a quick recap. The default behavior on macOS to get to the start of the line is Command left. And to go to the end of the line, Command right. On Windows, Home takes you to the start of the line, and End takes you to the end of the line. On macOS, Shift Command left and Shift Command right will move to the beginning and end of the line, but this time it will also select the text from the cursor position. On Windows, this would be Shift Home and Shift End. To go to the beginning of the text or file on macOS, this is Command up, and the end of the text or file is Command down. On Windows, this would be Control Home and Control End. And to do the same, but with the selection of the text, on macOS, Shift Command up and Shift Command down, and on Windows, Shift Control Home and Shift Control End. If you can't get or don't want to get used to this, for example, because you are using both operating systems during your day, macOS has the ability to custom key bindings built into the operating system. We can simply remap the keys in macOS. We only need to do this once, so we can set it and forget it. As stated before, even after the remapping, the normal macOS keys will still work, so effectively you can use both the macOS and the Windows way of working. And once again, there is no need for any third-party or external tools. For this to work, we need to create a folder named keybindings and a file named default keybinding.dict. We will be doing this from the terminal. It can be done via Finder and TextEdit as well, but this is actually more work and you need to pay attention to the file extension and plain text formatting. Just follow along and we can do it easily from the terminal. Every user will have their own key bindings specified. As always in the terminal, pay careful attention to the uppercase and lowercase letters and type them exactly as on the screen. Open a terminal and change into the folder library with the command cd library. Create a folder named keybindings. Type mkdir keybindings. And then change into that folder, cd keybindings. Now we have to create the file default keybinding.dict. And for that I will use the VI editor, but you can use your favorite editor like Nano or Pico. Type vi default keybinding.dict. Note that here keybinding is singular, where the folder name keybindings was plural. Now paste the contents. For your convenience, there is a link in the description of this video to this. Exit and save the file and double check your work. And as a last step, restart macOS for the changes to take effect. After the reboot, you can use your home and end keys, just like you can on Windows. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!